Chat, 440,000 followers on the gram. Yeah. 440K. Ashton Small. First cut.
And celebration.
Hey. Good size piece. Eat that. There it goes. Hey! So that's the proper way to do it.
Let's go.
You have to cut it and take a bite, huh?
Yes.
That makes sense.
All right. And yeah, again, thank you for staying with us. Hope your trip in Rwanda was amazing. We wish you the best in your continued success to both of you. And you're welcome here anytime.
Oh, 100%. I feel like this is second home at this point.
Yes.
Yeah, you guys have done your thing. You know, I felt completely comfortable in here.
Mm-hmm.
Whole staff was amazing.
Yes.
And me and Ashton Small, we appreciate you guys.
Thank you
This won't be the last time you see us.
Thank you very much.
For sure.
Pleasure.
Thank you, brother.
Very much.
Thank you. Chat, can we eat this? Come on, give me a little cookie or something. Shoot. Look.
Oh, that's good. This is a little sugar thing.
Mom, let's do it.
Hey, pleasure. Make sure you get the cake. Take the cake, yeah. That's yours. Yeah, the box is here. It's just happy for you.
Yeah, well, you can have them.
And the team eat it. W's in the chat, 440K.
For you.
My guy Ashton Small, filled with light, filled with positive energy. He's been through some family things in the last couple of days, but thankfully, God is still good. God is still amazing. Now we head to the airport. Final moments. Chat, what must we do next? What must we do next, man? Thank you.
Yeah. The board is send everything. Awesome.
Was it good?
Yeah, I'm cool.
Yeah, let's do it. 100%.
Where?
Okay.
Right here. Let me pull up on mine. Yeah.
Disability is not inability.
Disability is not inability.
100%.
100%. Ashton Small says. We're doing a big group photo?
Yes.
Let's do it. You ready? Final moments in Rwanda, huh? My favorite moment in Kigali? What's the favorite moment?
A lot of things.
I'm gonna feel disrespectful if I just pinpoint one because everything was so good. I would say I can't even say our first moments because we didn't meet in Rwanda. Yesterday probably. I think yesterday was our best day. We went and milked the cows. It's my first time milking the cows. Yeah, I drank the milk and the milk was good. Real milk. And I think just being in the streets of Kigali in general is amazing. Just because the kids have so much love. The people here are beautiful, very respectful, and it's so clean. It's clean. Let's do it. Ready? We good? 3, 2, and 1. Appreciate you guys.
Thank you so much.
Love. Where's Indian Ashton? Dang. Where's Indian Ashton?
Yeah, Indian Ashton maybe to just take a flight.
He just took the flight. He's going, chat.
He's going.
W's in the chat for India Ash. What's up, brother?
That Dave's his name.
Hey, you know we family now. You know that, right? Nephew. Ah, thank you. Hey, and then we got the star too. And we got the star with us. How's everything? You good? Hey, let's flick one real quick. Ready? Let's flick one.
For your team. Most.
You took it? Did you screenshot it? Okay, you got it? Hey, Big W, see your pops?
We just wanted to take a picture with my team.
Oh, 100%. That's easy. Don't worry about that. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, we can't? Okay. Well, just move. Go that way. Just keep it on him. Keep it on him. One second.
So. Yes. Guys. In the house. Yeah. I really appreciate everybody. I really appreciate everybody. National time till now. And I really appreciate for your support. From bottom of my heart, I'm so happy. And God is amazing.
Let's go. Where's the team at?
We need to do the final group picture with the full team.
All right, let's do his team first.
Team.
Let's do his team first. W's in the chat for Ashton's smallest team. Ashton. Ashton smallest team. What's your name again?
Asman. Asman.
Asman.
Yes.
Kane. Cade, you guys have to be patient. Because the names, I'm not good with the African names. I'm still learning.
Yeah.
All right. And what was yours? Muski?
Yes.
Musa? Musa.
Perfect. Musa.
God. I can't forget yours. GAD. Big shout out to Ashton's smallest team. These guys killing it. Where's the camera though? What camera are we using? Right here? All right, bet.
Buriya, man. I really appreciate you.
Love, brother.
From bottom of my heart,
Yeah.
I really appreciate you, whatever you have done for me.
Yeah.
Man, that is amazing.
Yeah.
And God bless you. I'm gonna miss you, man.
Now we locked in.
Always you are my brother for real.
Oh, for life.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, I'm gonna be 60, you gonna be 55. I'm gonna be calling you like, yo, how's the family?
Yeah.
How's the family? How's business? We locked in forever.
Yeah.
5 minutes on posting. I'm spending 5 minutes on posting one reel to all of my platforms. And this is why I'm able to be so consistent. People wonder how I can get so much content out, how I can reach so many people. You know, we have months where we do billions of views, like 3 billion views in just 1 month. And that's only because we're posting on all platforms. But there's no way you want to post on 7 different platforms individually because it's going to take way too long. So you could use LinkMe. LinkMe is the link in my bio. Amazing company. And they have a lot of different features you could use as well. But that's one of my favorite, is the fact that I can post on all platforms at once. But yeah, if you're looking to create content, you know, I think the biggest thing is find something that you're passionate about, something that you love. And, you know, if you're posting about it every single day with strategy, you will win. It's not that hard. It's really not that hard. This would be the best duo in streaming history. That's for a lot of people. Hey Ash, your dance on Let Me Be was amazing. You learned it so quickly. I'm really impressed. Keep it up. Dang, how did you see it? Did you see it on stream or did you see it on IG? Gotta have the right tools to be the greatest. Exactly. You need tools. Am I coming to India again? You guys know that for sure. So did you know Indian Ash before we came? Oh, you already knew him. Y'all made content already.
Yeah, I already know him.
Cause y'all did a call, right?
Yeah.
Y'all did a call. I saw it on Instagram.
Mm,
Y'all made a video together.
yeah.
Yeah, he's cool.
Yeah.
He's 21. You know that?
21.
21. Young guy.
10 years old.
21.
Oh.
Young.
He's still young.
He's still young,
And
right?
I'm 25.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're young too.
Yeah.
You're young too. How old are your brothers?
My brothers.
Yeah. How old? Are they older? 30? No. Your team.
And my team.
Your team.
So the first one have
Look at these. Yeah. They're all 30, no?
yeah.
What up, man? He's 30, right? 30.
Yeah, 30, 33.
How do they know that we're in this car, though?
Salam.
Love. Final day. Final day in Gwanda. We out.
Thank you.
Love, brother.
Yeah, salam. Appreciate.
Love, brother.
Thank you.
One thing I noticed in your country, they say I love you a lot. Everyone says that. I love you. I love you.
Yeah, yeah. Everybody
They
say I
have
love
so
you.
much love.
Yeah, they have. They have. All of them. All of them. Rwanda is amazing. Bro.
No one in America says I love you.
Really?
No. No, you have to know somebody for like a couple months. Yeah, you know, but I say it fast, you know, if I feel it, you know. What up, bro? Amazing. Yeah, America is very different.
Yeah.
But it's still nice though. America is beautiful.
America is beautiful.
Yeah, it's beautiful. A great place to live.
And me, it's more blessing to be there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Would you move to America?
Huh?
Nah. Would you move to America or nah? Would you live in America?
Oh.
It'd be hard to leave your family.
So I want.
Yeah. Partially, a couple months. Couple months, and then see how you like it.
So, may I live in America, but how can I live in America without coming around the border?
Yeah.
Just love Rwanda.
You do both.
100%.
Do both.
Yeah.
Both.
Do
Easy.
both.
It's easy.
Yeah.
Hey, how far are we? It's gonna be a far drive. We need to escorts, no? So 10 minutes with no jam?
Yeah, in 10 minutes, but because of the jam, we are almost there.
Brother, can we go around these cars?
Yeah, I just know.
How do we? Thank you, man. Yeah, I'm cool. Yeah. How about you? Yeah.
Yeah, look, how can we get around this traffic? Safe journey, Ashton Small. Ashton, all may God protect you.
Hello, bro. How are you?
What up, bro? Everything good?
Yeah, I'm okay. Yongera,
Yeah.
bravo, Chan.
Bravo.
Mrs.
Zeneza.
So I just wanted to say hi, bro.
Okay.
Hi, brother. Love, brother.
Yeah, cool. How are you doing?
Amazing, bro. I'm blessed. How are you?
I'm okay, bro.
You're better than okay.
Yeah, of course.
You're better than okay.
Yeah.
Always remember that.
Keep in touch, bro.
Thank you so much, brother.
Thanks.
God bless you. This traffic, boy. Chad, one thing I hate is traffic. What do I like most about India? I don't know. Like, I'm more of a people guy. I'm gonna always say people. Other than love, brother. Other than like Dubai, obviously I like it because it's like futuristic, super new, super clean. But most countries I like them or dislike them. Not even dislike them. I always like them because the people. And I take joy in different people. Indians are way different from Africans, right? Um, but it's just depending on where you're from. So I like to just learn different cultures. What did I like most about Gwanda? Gwanda, the people. I always say the people. I always go back to the people. The people is most of the vibe. These guys just look you up and down. They just look you up and down.
Yeah.